This KitchenAid stainless steel French door refrigerator has an amazing 25 cubic foot capacity. The LED lighting gradually increases in intensity and keeps the refrigerator brightly and crisply lit, so you're never in the dark. Adjustable glass shelves allow you to customize the space any way you need it. And with Spill Shield technology, they will help contain spills and are easy to clean. Store meats and cheeses in the humidity-controlled deli drawer. The Fresh View refrigerated drawer provides extra storage for all your fruits and vegetables and ensure they will stay fresher longer. With an indoor water and ice dispenser, easy access to refreshments comes at the touch of a button. The bottom freezer space is maximized by 2 sliding storage bins and a middle divider. Goedeker is pleased to offer this fine refrigerator at a reasonable price and with a free 10-year warranty.